Do you have a pile of clothes, or more specifically, a pile of pants that no longer fit you? Well, this is Make Those Pants Fit. You will need a sewing kit, waistband or adjustable buttons, confusion concerning the matter. You will also need elastic. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Our first contestant is a pair of jeans whose color I cannot pinpoint. We also have these pair of jeans that are way too big for me. These pair of jeans that are too big on my waist. Another pair of jeans that are too big for my waist. And another. And another. But yes, I believe this is the point of this video, is it not? To make those jeans fit. Which leads us to method 1, adjustable button. Attach the adjustable button to the right of the original button, and then take the loop and loop it around onto the new button. Voila, it's that easy. Look how good these babies fit now. You can do the same thing to just about any pair of jeans you have. This is the quickest and easiest fix for a waistband that doesn't fit. And OMG, wow, these pants have never fit better. Here we have method 2, where we put elastic into the waist. This process is the longest and most time-consuming, but I find it the most effective. Start by making an incision on either side of the waistband. I then lay out the buttons where I would like them to be sewn, which is close to the incisions. Then I sew the buttons through. This is the longest part of the process in my opinion, but it's more time-consuming than anything. You're grown up, I know, but I should still remind you to be careful with needles, as I, an adult, have still managed to stab myself many of times throughout this process. If you need a button sewing tutorial, I'm sure you can find one on YouTube. I have stabbed myself too many times to give you a safe and proper tutorial. Once you have both buttons sewn in, you're going to take the elastic and clip a safety pin to the end, or you could also clip a paper clip, something that will just allow you to run it through the waistband in the back. Going to loop the first part of the elastic around the button on the left, and then measure it out to what length you want it, and then do the same on the right, and then cut it, button it up, and voila! You now have a new pair of pants. As you can see, I had quite the amount of pants that needed some sort of fixing in order to fit my body, but it's always important to remember that clothes are here to fit us. We are not here to fit into clothes. And last but not least, we have method 3, adjustable hooks. Since I am always out of order, I made these number 3, even though these probably should have been second in terms of difficulty. But you just position the hook parts where you want them. I recommend about 1 inch apart, and then run the pins through the holes and click them in. Hook them together and easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's like the pants never had a gap in the first place. Properly fitting pants will have you feeling like Michael Jackson. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Look how perfectly the elastic did its job. And these pants are still baggy as hell, but at least they cute now. And these pants make my ass look great. It's hard to believe I hated these pair of pants once upon a time, but fixing up a pair of pants will do that. I don't know what color this is, but it never looked so good on a girl. So what do you think, guys? Did I do as I promised? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.